Hi everyone. So this question says that given that the cosine of theta is 3 over m, where m is positive, and that's significant, I needed to know that, and sine, and that should say sine of theta is less than 0, determine the exact value of tangent. Okay, well, let's talk about this. Cosine of theta is equal to 3 over m, but m is positive, so I know that this ratio is positive. Okay, that's what they're telling me here. Now, cosine is positive in quadrants 1 and 4, but they also tell us here that sine is negative, which means that puts us into the fourth quadrant, okay? Cosine is positive and sine is negative, fourth quadrant. So here's our triangle, here's our angle theta in the fourth quadrant. We know that cosine is x over r, so this is going to be 3 over m. And now we're going to try to figure out what the exact value of tangent is. Well, I need to know what the y-coordinate is. So I'm going to do this here. Don't be thrown off by the fact that the hypotenuse here is being given to us as a variable, okay? Just accept that and use it, okay? Assume that it's some sort of number here. So what we get here, in terms of the Pythagorean theorem, we're going to get 3 squared plus y squared will equal m squared. Now remember, our goal here is to figure out what y is, in spite of the fact that we don't really know what that number is. So we work it like this: y squared is going to equal m squared, and this 3 squared is 9. I'm just going to bring that over. So m squared minus 9. And now I'll take the square root. And in this case here, because y can be oriented in a positive or a negative way, I got to put the plus or minus there. But then I realize, you know what? Because I'm talking about this in the fourth quadrant, I know that y is going to be negative. So this is going to be negative m squared, the negative square root of m squared minus 9. And bear in mind, you cannot apply that square root to those two terms. You cannot convert this to like m minus 3, even if you wanted to, because order of operations, okay, would require me to square this and subtract before I take the square root. Now, because I can't subtract, because I don't even know what this is kind of where I have to stop. That's a dead end. But there's my y-coordinate. Now let's think about what tangent is. Tangent is y over x. So we come over here, which means therefore that the tangent of theta in this case is going to be the y-coordinate, negative root m squared minus 9 all over 3. And that's what we were looking for. Can't do much better than that.